Hello, everyone, and welcome to iTCA, I Teach Cybersecurity Academy, where we make cybersecurity simple, useful, and practical for everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to understand how data moves, networks operate, and how cybersecurity protects information in our digital world. Have you ever wondered why cyber attacks happen so easily? Or why sensitive data can be stolen, intercepted, or manipulated even on well-protected systems? The truth is, most cyber incidents start with a lack of understanding about how data travels across networks. If you don't know the rules of communication, the flow of traffic, or how devices interact, you're trying to defend a network blindfolded. That's exactly why we created this Introduction to Data Communication Beginner's course. This course breaks down networking and data communication into easy-to-understand concepts, showing you step-by-step how data is transmitted, how networks are structured, and how traffic flows. You'll gain the knowledge to analyze networks, detect anomalies, and understand the first step in defending any system. This course is perfect for absolute beginners, IT students, aspiring cybersecurity professionals, or anyone who wants to understand real-world networks. No prior technical knowledge is required, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Here's what you'll learn. The basics of data communication, what it is, its components, data types, and how the OSI and TCP/IP models structure the flow of data. Network architectures and transmission media. You'll explore LANs, MANs, WANs, wired versus wireless networks, network topologies, and how data physically moves. Data transmission techniques, how data is encoded, modulated, multiplexed, switched, and routed, and how attackers exploit weaknesses. Network protocols and traffic flow, understanding TCP, UDP, IP, HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, email protocols, traffic patterns, and packet capture fundamentals. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in data communication, the ability to analyze network traffic, and the skills to understand and anticipate potential cyber threats.
So, are you ready to stop guessing and start understanding how networks really work?
Click on the subscribe button, turn on notification. Let's dive into the first module, and let's begin building your cybersecurity foundation today. Remember, at iTCA, cybersecurity finally makes sense, and it starts with understanding data communication.